Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to what hopefully will be the first of many, many projects, many videos called Math for Grown-ups. And this video is sort of an introduction and explaining, well, first of all, who? What is this? Who is this for? This is for people who are grown up. Have seen math before, and didn't particularly like it. Didn't make sense. Perhaps you're just an average person who that's who I'm making this for. If you like math, if you enjoy math, if math makes sense to you, this is not a program for you. Why? Here's a more important question. Why would you do this? Why would you care? Well, first of all, math is useful. Eh, You've heard that before. That's stupid. You're not really going to use this stuff again. If you are a grown up, you have gotten this far in your life without math. You don't really need math. So why? Well, math can help self esteem. I am a professor of mathematics at a state college. I see people all the time. They say, "Oh, I suck at math. I'm terrible at math." They they feel bad about themselves. They gave up a long time ago in learning math. People don't hate math. Ah. They hate feeling stupid. A lot of people come up to me and they say, "Oh, I remember Mr. M in junior year of high school. Before then, math was kind of fun, and then he just made math terrible." People should have good math teachers every year of their life. To have even one bad teacher who doesn't explain things, who rolls their eyes, it makes you want to leave. It makes you feel terrible and angry. What I'm saying is, there's kids out there who don't know what's going to happen when they come home. They don't know where their life is going. They don't know a lot of things. Who's the president? Is the earth flat? These things are being debated these days. But they know that 9 times 5 is 45. And to have something in your life that a person can't gaslight you on, that you know for sure, gives you a certain sense of strength. And I'm seeing that absence in people these days. People feel bad about themselves. They gave up on something in their life. The trick is that math can be pretty simple if you understand it. It's work. Math is work. It's like washing dishes. It's not a very complicated thing to do. If you have a whole lot of math, a whole lot of dishes, it's going to take a lot of time. But the thing is, there's a path forward for you. So, what's going to happen here? So, what are we going to do? We're going to start all the way in the beginning, go all the way back to adding and subtracting, multiplying, dividing, explaining fractions. We're going to cover algebra and arithmetic at the same time. Algebra is just generalized arithmetic. It doesn't have to be that scary. I want to give the explanations. The pictures. There are a lot of people are not explained why you do things. The teachers are just like, follow these steps, do this and that. And people are like, some people are very good. They just do what they're told. Other people they can't move forward unless they understand what's going on. I want to provide the explanations that you perhaps were cheated out of. So this is the whole goal. This is a math program. Maybe you want to learn something about math. Maybe you just want to feel less bad about yourself. Maybe you'd like to see it again. You don't want to buy a book. You don't want to take a class. You don't want to have anyone in a position of authority over you in terms of math. You don't want that. But you can learn these entirely on your own. And some of this, and probably as you go through, you'll think, well, I actually knew that. Well, I remember that. And at the end, you're going to feel good about yourself. So this is my goal. This is what I want to create.